Hi guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel of Study Abroad Solution. I'm Zara Anwar, I'm a junior counselor and I'm here to discuss few topics and questions students want me to discuss over for the plans of studying abroad. So without wasting time, let's get started with today's topic of discussion. So today's topic of discussion is very exciting one, that is the best gift ideas for one who is going to study abroad or is studying abroad. So getting a gift for a friend or family member who is going to study abroad or is studying abroad is actually something you get into your head, and actually you fail into this because you actually have to think about the best gift idea, because they need to carry them with them throughout the luggage, and the gift that you give should be very compact, and it should be very easy to take along with them. So it is very important that you give something that is very precious, that would be very precious to them, and also it is valuable. So actually on a request we made a list of the things that one can gift to someone who is going to study abroad, that will be very very need to them, and will be very good a gift idea. So let's get started with today's list of discussion. So the first one is a good travel pillow. Okay, so in this one, a person who is studying abroad or is going to study abroad needs to travel a lot. So you can give him or her a good travel pillow, so that the traveling couldn't be hectic for them, and it will also show that how caring you are towards them. So I think this is the first idea that you can give them. So the next one is universal plug adapter. So actually you must be thinking why, but let me tell you, sometimes when the student travels from one country to the other country, sometimes the ports of the plug are sometimes very different from the home country. So in this place, when you give someone a universal adapter, you actually rescue them from the situation, as this is the basic necessity and one of the most major problem one student faces when they arrive in some new place or the country. So the third one is the travel guide, that is the Lonely Planet travel guide. Here you must be thinking why, but let me tell you, it is very helpful for the students who are going for the first time to study abroad, as they do not know many places, they do not know many of the things, where to go and in what time to go, and where and how to go. The main thing is the route, they do not know about the route. So if you give someone a travel guide, this was also a benefit for them, as a person who is going to study abroad for the first time. They face many problems while traveling from one place to another, and they actually need a travel guide at first to know exactly the routes and the places. The fourth is the MP3 player. This is actually very genuine one. Everybody loves to hear music while they are traveling, while they are alone, while they are somewhat busy. They want to calm down. Some of the people actually calm down through music. So this is also a best gift idea from my side if you want to give to a friend or a family member who is going to study abroad, because traveling or studying abroad also requires a lot of journey, like traveling from your place to the university, you need to travel. So most of the person, like I see while traveling, they actually hear to the music. So in my opinion, this would be the best gift out of all. Then comes the lightweight backpack. Backpack is also again something that can come into use for the students who are going to study abroad. Like a light backpack can be used while traveling, and also it can be used while they are going to the universities. So this is also a next good idea you can give to a student. So the next one is also very interesting, that is the passport cover. Like while traveling, passport is an essential while you are traveling. You have to carry with them, and basically as I see, everyone has a simple plain passport, and to make it very interesting, attractive and cool, you can give them a passport cover that will actually make it look very attractive, and it also looks very nice. So you can also give them this, because they are using the passport for sure. So also the cover can be very useful to them. The next one is gift them the toiletry kits. Here actually a person who is traveling abroad or traveling somewhere actually needs all the things to be cluttered, and important things to be cluttered at one place. So here the toiletry kit will actually give the best requirement that they need. So this is also a best gift idea from my side. If you want to give this, because actually this is the essential while traveling. So earphones or headphones. Earphones or headphones are something that is very handy and everybody likes to carry all the time. So this is again something that you can give to your friend or the family member who is going to study abroad or is traveling abroad, because during traveling it's in the habit many of the students or even the person listens to music to calm down, and many of the things different people have different phenomena with the music. So I would just say that gifting a earphone or headphone is also such a handy thing, and it will also not much cost you much, and you can search the best earphones or headphones your family or the friend is liking, or you can gift it on your own by researching something more about it. So the last gift idea that I would say that is the sunglasses. Sunglasses is also a compact one and it is easy to travel, and mostly every person is having. So make sure that if a person that you know that you have already known from much time, if you know them, then you must be knowing their likings. So give them according to that the sunglasses. The sunglasses are very protective, as I don't think I don't need to say about the benefits of the sunglasses. Obviously a need when you're traveling through the day, or even through the sometimes night. Some glasses are meant for the night too, so you can give them the sunglasses or the glasses if you like. And this is also one of the best part of the gift, as this is very cool, and one of the essentials of everything. Every person, I guess every person has a sunglass, and every person needs, or they are wanting something new kind of sunglasses. So this was all. I will just go through the summary, and it was great talking to you guys about this. I felt so nice talking about this topic and discussing with all of you, and it is very essential. Like some of the people actually get confused so much with the gift ideas, but you can actually give them the essentials that they require, or something that is very compact and they are likely to take along with them, because gifting something like soft toys or a big thing or something else, actually I don't think they would be able to take with them, because already they have a big luggage with them to take along. And again, if you give them a gift, it would be very difficult for them, big gift too difficult for them to take along with them. So I would just prefer some of the things that I made out for you all guys, and if you liked it, and just share any other topic, any as such you want me to discuss over, and you can contact us with the contact details I'll be mentioning at the end of the video. Till then, goodbye and take care.